Vintage oak Acorn Gumball machine. It also could dispense the capsules that are about 3/4 of an inch tall, the smaller capsules. It's made out of a metal base, chrome crank, and door. I guess stainless pillars on the side, heavy plexiglass panels around, a plastic back panel, and a metal top. It's a sturdy machine. It's in working condition, as I'll demonstrate. It's a 25-cent model. I'll spin it around. There's some mild scratching on this panel here on the plexiglass. I did take it apart and clean it. You can see the pictures in the auction. So it does look good as far as being clean right now. There are some use marks, scratching, some loss of paint, but not much. There's no key. I'll remove the lock and put some gumballs in. Probably improve the looks of this machine with more cleaning. We'll take a look at the underneath here real quickly. And this is a solid, heavy metal base. Chrome's pretty clean. Alright, so we'll set it up. In the back. Go ahead and take the top off. And give a demonstration. I'll just use a quarter to remove the top here. So the lock does act currently. It's simply a large screw to hold everything together. Things do come apart fairly easily. There's a handle that pops up for ease of just pulling this machine straight up from the base, as I just did. So then everything else just comes out. It's very clean inside. Coin mechanism's clean. You can check out the pictures for that. Again, this is in working condition. You can see the carousel. I'll add some gumballs. This could take gumballs, candy, probably peanuts, a couple yellow, a couple white ones. So you can see about 2, maybe 3 will be dispensed for this quarter. It seems to be a fair amount for the demo. So I'll go ahead and insert a quarter. And I got 2 white ones that time. And one more time. Alright. That time I got 2 yellow ones. So we'll also dispense the plastic capsules. Alright, thanks very much for looking. Good vintage condition for such an older machine. Will definitely look good in your game room. Thanks very much for looking. Take care.